Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great and hope you had a great week this past week. In this video, I want to talk about my analysis for Euro USD for the upcoming week. And as usual, I'll be starting off with the weekly time frame and then we'll work our way down to the 4-hour time frame where I normally take my entry. So as you can see from the weekly time frame, price has been, moving in the downtrend, forming these lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower high. Okay, so at this point here, price is currently at this support, at this resistance level and trend line as well. Price tried to break above the trend line, but today price retraced down back towards the trend line and support and the resistance level now turned support. If we go down to the daily time frame, we can see clearly what has happened here. That after making these high highs and high lows, high highs, high lows, price has finally retraced to the upside, and this break of this level here could just be a false breakout, and price could continue all the way to the downside. All right, back down to this support level over here. Now, generally, what I'm expecting is, because we are at a crossroads now where we have to be extremely careful, we don't need to rush to think that, oh, you know what, price just broke this trend line and it's just retesting the trend line to make its way back up. You could be wrong. This could just be a bounce off this resistance level and working its way all the way down, making this like a false breakout. So in the coming week, we have to be very careful. And like you've seen from the way price has been moving, it's been forming this soft retracement and bounce all the way back down, a retracement and bounce all the way back down, and a retracement. Okay, and so this could just be a retracement and price could fall all the way back down, because normally when price retraces, it's the retracement isn't always very smooth compared to the impulsive move. Okay, so in the upcoming week, if we go to the 4-hour time frame, we can see on the 4-hour time frame that prices from this double top here, broke back down. It's currently around the trend line area and it's still around this resistance area. So now you could think that, oh, this is what do you call it, a bounce that is forming, and you would be tempted to want to take your buy trade all the way to the top. That is very possible. There's a possibility that that would happen and price could continue all the way to the top. That would be very, very good. But as usual, what has formed here on the 4-hour time frame is what we would normally call an inside bar. Okay, and to trade an inside bar, like I've shown in my other videos, I'm just going to expand this so that I can show you how we trade an inside bar. It could be for the short term or it could be for the long term, but normally we use the smaller baby bar, and we'll put our lines at the high of the candle and then the other one at the low of the inside bar. Okay, or of the mother bar, depending, but it looks like they are just about around the same level. So what to trade this level, what we'll be doing is to wait for a break of this either the upper limit or the lower limit on the 4-hour candle. So if the next 4-hour candle breaks and closes above this level, then there's a strong possibility that price could continue all the way to the upside. Okay, now if price breaks below this level, the next 4-hour candle, and closes below this lower level here, then there is a very strong chance that price could continue all the way to the downside, and it will just confirm what I said earlier on the daily time frame. All right, so that's what we'll be looking at on the Euro USD. Like I said, we have to be very careful trading this, and this could just mean like prices reversing all the way back down and not really a retest of this trend line. And if it is a retest of the trend line, then we have to wait and see what sort of candle forms on the daily time frame on Monday. So I would suggest try not to, except if it forms a bullish candle and price tries to bounce all the way to the top here on Monday, I would say wait for that Monday candle to close and see if price would eventually close back above this resistance level. And if price closes back above this resistance level, then definitely you can take your buy trades to the top. But if price doesn't close back above this level here but continues down, or the next 4-hour candle breaks below this black line over here, then you take your sell trades and you continue taking it down. If you're already in this sell trade, I would say hold your trades for now and see how price plays out, because I suspect that price could continue all the way to the downside. Also, if we use our Fibonacci level as well to to trace this impulse and see where this retracement lies on the Fibonacci, we can see that this retracement is around the 50% Fibonacci ratio, or close to this S61.8 Fibonacci ratio, which is like the golden ratio. So this area here is very, very key, and we have to wait and see how price reacts on Monday. So but my general bias, I would say personally, would be a sell, and I'm expecting price to bounce from this, to continue its down move all the way to this support level here. So this has been my analysis for Euro USD for the upcoming week. I am my bias is more bearish, but like I said, anything can happen, so you have to be careful. If this video has been very helpful, to leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel for more analysis videos. And thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.